Yo guys, what's up, what's going on? In this video I'll show you how to open your PC, open your file explorer as this PC instead of a quick explorer. So these are the common settings guys for every Windows 10 user and even Windows 11 user. Basically you need to select whatever you want your file explorer open for you. On the first click, when you double click on this PC or just right click on it and open it, and what you want to see actually, the quick access or this PC, it's all on you. Just click on the views, then folder option, then click on the view general, open file explorer as this PC or quick access. It's all on you. You can choose whether you like the quick access or this PC. Actually quick access means recently whatever you have opened you will get here in a quick access, and whenever you try to open quick access you will get all your recently browsing history actually. So you can go through that, or otherwise simply you can open this PC as a local driver's location path, so you can easily access your drives from here. This is the quick method guys. I hope you like this video. Hit the subscribe button and share it with friends. If you have any question, just drop your comment, so I'll respond you as soon as possible. And if you are facing some softwares encounter errors or gaming encounter errors, then just drop your comment. I'll respond you. I'll try to fix your issue if it's possible for me. Till then, just take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.